Hey kindergarten, it's Miss Corey and Mabel, and we're so excited to do some phonics together today. So in this unit so far, we've gotten a chance to write the sounds that animals make and that trucks make. Then we worked on writing the sounds that magicians make, like bippity boppity boo and abracadabra. Now we're going to start to learn that you can also add sounds that you make in your reading and your writing. So we're working towards now what we can write in our reading and writing. You've been writing a lot during writing time with dialogue and speech bubbles for what your characters say. So now we're going to get a chance to kind of talk about that and what it looks like in your writing. So today I want to teach you that if you want to write with words that sound like real talking, okay, that if people are begging or booming or whining or whispering, that you want to make sure that people can read what you write. And to do that, we're going to use our magic powers by writing the sounds that we hear and the words that we know by heart to help us. So, yesterday we learned some new sight words, snap words, and we learned how those snap words can help us write other words. So today we're going to see if we can put that to our writing. So let's say Kalamazoo, Kalamafoo, blend it up, write-a-roo. Here we go. Kalamazoo, Kalamafoo, blend it up, write-a-roo. Okay, so if Miss Corey wants to write the word don't run, okay, say my character is telling the other character, don't run, okay, and I have my speech bubble here, and I want to say don't run. I might be able to write don't real quick, and then I'm like, how do I write run? I can think of, oh, I know the snap word fun is F-U-N, so run, I would just have to change out the F to be a R. Don't on. So I wrote real quick, don't run, and I was able to use what I knew about snap words to help me. Let's think about another one, okay? If I were to write the word crayon, I want to say use crayons, okay? I could write use real quick. Crayons, I don't know how to spell crayons, okay? But if I were to think of my sight words, I might think of the word play. Cray rhymes with play. I know that play is spelled P-L-A-Y. So I'm going to use that A-Y for cray. Cur is C-R. A, on. Use crayons. Very good. Use crayons. Very good. So I can keep thinking about these words and these blends I already know to help me write new words. Okay, so as you are writing in your books at home, I want you to think about all these things we've learned in these last few weeks in phonics time to help you write more words and to stretch out those words, okay? We're now going to switch it up a little bit for our activities. Our activities today, we're going to be focusing on our digraphs, okay? So focusing on those two letters that are put together, typically where the sound is really quite different, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a page, okay? And we're actually going to then put our magnetic letters to spell those words and see what it looks like, okay? So this first page, we see a bag of chips. Very good. Ch, ch. What sound is ch? Yeah, it's going to be the C and the H for ch. If you notice, those two letters go in the same box for ch, ch, I. I is my vowel, and then p is my last sound. Ch, I, p, and my P. Chip, okay? And then I could write the word myself with my marker. Focusing on my letter formation and how my letters fit in. Chip. Do we think we could do the next one? The girl is pointing to her chin. Very good. So is that the same blend at the beginning of ch? Very good. Ch. Try again. N. N. Very good. N. And then I spell it again. Okay, so our first digraph that we talked about was ch. Very good. Okay, let's look at another example. This one's going to be a new digraph. I'm going to take off the page real quick and do our next one. This one we're going to be talking about shh, shh. Okay, so this person is doing what to the car? They are push, push. Very good. What's our first sound? P. U. Sh, sh. S, and then what letter? R. H. If you notice for this one, the digraph comes at the end. So the box that holds two letters is at the end. Push. Okay, and again, I'm going to spell it using my best handwriting, following those lines. Push. Okay. Your dog's or cat's food goes in a dish. Very good. Dish. D. D. Did you guys notice Miss Corey's using all lowercase letters as well? D. I. And then sh. Very good. Again, the SH is a digraph, so it goes in one box. Dish. Okay, and then again, I will spell it. Okay, we have two more pages that we're going to go over with some words because these ones are a little less common, and I want us to get some practice with them. Okay, so the next one is going to be our sound. Can you say very good? Okay, these ones also you can see at the beginning or the end, but we're going to practice with them at the end. So this first picture is of a moth. Yep. Aw, octopus. Aw. And then, yep, we're going to have the TH together. Moth. Okay. As I write the word, the next picture is of a path. A path. What was the first letter for path? P. Very good. P. A. A. Very good. Path. Okay. Very good. And so our last one that we're going to talk about is a new blend that new digraph that we haven't talked about as much, and I want us to get some practice with it. So this one is our sound, and with it, it has a silent letter. So this is a picture of a knob, like a doorknob, and with knob, it's going to have a digraph at the beginning, but that digraph has a silent letter. So we know it has the N sound, but at the beginning it's also going to be a K. So when we have an N sound at the beginning of some words, it's going to have this silent K and say N, A, B, knob. Okay, so knob. Okay, the next picture is knit. I want you, if you think of how you spell knit. Knob. Very good. With knit, we're going to have that KN again to begin. KN. And then it. IT. Knit. And then the last one, we're going to do the last one on this, is going to be a knot. I tied a knot. How do you think we're going to spell knot? Very good. We're going to start with that same digraph of KN and do KN, N, A, T. Very good. KN, O, T. Knot. Very good. So we've worked really hard with spelling these words. Okay, so your job at home today is you all will get this game board right here. You'll all have this game board, okay? And you will look at the picture and you will spell the word and write the word, okay? When you spell the word on this page, you can have fun. You can get your Legos out, your Play-Doh out, whatever toy or manipulative you have at home to build that word. Then you're gonna write your word. You're gonna write your word on the top and the bottom. So you'll write the word twice for each of the words that you had. There's 8 pictures, so you should write all 8 words. Then at the bottom, you get a chance to write a sentence using your words, okay? Parents, on the slides, I did give you the words of the pictures just so you know for sure what the pictures are. Have fun, and Mabel and I really enjoyed getting to do some extra work with you guys on our digraphs today. See you tomorrow.